There's a battle happening every morning, and most Christians don't even know they're losing it. You don't get spiritually attacked at noon. The enemy hits you the moment you open your eyes, before your mind is awake, before your guard is up, before you even speak your first word. But what if your mornings didn't have to start in defeat? What if there were 5 Psalms, real God-breathed scriptures, that act as spiritual armor, mental protection, and emotional strength before your day even begins? David used these Psalms to face lions, giants, betrayal, fear, and war. And if you speak them every morning, your entire day will shift. Let's start with the first one. Psalm 5. God gets the first access to my mind. Psalm 5 isn't poetry. It's strategy. When David says, "My voice shalt thou hear in the morning," he's declaring something powerful. Before worry speaks, God speaks. Before fear speaks, God speaks. Before the world grabs my attention, God gets it first. Verse 3 says, "In the morning, I will direct my prayer." That word, direct, means to arrange, to position, to organize. David wasn't waking up and reacting to chaos. He was setting his day in order under God's authority. If God ordered David's mornings, no giant could disorder his day. Psalm 23. Identity before activity. Psalm 23 is not just comfort, it's identity. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Before you check your schedule, before you face your responsibilities, before you walk into stress, you remind your soul, I am led, I am guided, I am provided for. Verse 5, Thou preparest a table before me. Your enemies, fear, anxiety, bills, critics, pressure, don't get to starve you. They have to watch God bless you. Reading Psalm 23 in the morning is like walking into the battlefield, already knowing the victory is scripted. Psalm 91. Protection you activate with your mouth. Psalm 91 is the morning shield. He that dwelleth in the secret place. You don't stumble into God's presence. You enter it intentionally. Verse 2 says, I will say of the Lord, not think, not hope, not whisper. Say, because whatever you say first tries to shape the rest of your day. Verse 11, He shall give His angels charge over thee. Your morning declaration sets heavenly protection into motion. This isn't superstition. It's alignment with Scripture. Psalm 27. Fear gets silence before it speaks. Fear talks the loudest in the morning. Before breakfast, your mind whispers, what if it fails? What if they reject me? What if I'm not enough? Psalm 27 shuts that down. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Not a suggestion, not motivation. Truth. Verse 14 ends with, Wait on the Lord. He shall strengthen thine heart. You don't start your day strong. You start it strengthened. Psalm 118. Choosing the atmosphere of your day. Psalm 118 verse 24 is not a happy verse. It's a decision. This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Not because everything is perfect, not because everything feels right, but because God is in the day, and that changes everything. Verse 6 is your morning confidence. The Lord is on my side. I will not fear. When you declare this, you stop hoping for a good day and start creating one with your words. What happens when you read these 5 Psalms every morning? Something shifts. Your mind stops running toward anxiety. Your heart stops waking up heavy. Your spirit stops shrinking under pressure. You stop reacting to the day, and you start ruling the day. You start feeling guided, protected, centered, strengthened, aware of God, ready. The same God who armed David every morning is ready to arm you. Tomorrow morning, before the news, before messages, before worries. Read these Psalms out loud. Let God's voice be the first voice you hear. And if this video gave you clarity, share it with someone who needs a reset, someone waking up defeated, someone fighting battles alone. And subscribe to Bible Undefeated, where we don't just read scripture, we apply it and watch lives transform. Your morning is waiting, and so is God.